If you love cooking as much as I do, you know the right knife set can completely change your kitchen experience. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 kitchen knife sets every home chef needs, from budget-friendly options to professional-grade blades. Stay till the end to find the perfect knife set for your cooking style and kitchen needs. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Number 1. Imarku High Carbon 16-Piece Knife Set. The Imarku High Carbon 16-Piece Knife Set is a professional-grade collection perfect for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts. Each knife is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and precision cutting. The ergonomic handles provide comfort and control during extended cooking sessions, reducing hand fatigue. The set includes a sturdy wooden block to organize all knives neatly while adding elegance to your kitchen countertop. Whether you're slicing vegetables, chopping meat, or preparing delicate herbs, this set delivers exceptional performance. Its durable construction and stylish design make it ideal for tech lovers and home cooks seeking reliability, sharpness, and value in a complete kitchen knife solution. Number 2. Home Hero 17-Piece Stainless Steel Kitchen Knife Set. The Home Hero 17-Piece Stainless Steel Knife Set is a versatile collection that brings convenience and professional-level quality to your kitchen. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, these knives stay sharp and perform well for everyday cooking tasks. The lightweight, ergonomic handles provide excellent grip and control, making chopping, slicing, and dicing easier. The set includes all essential knives for a home chef, organized neatly in a stylish wooden block. Whether you're a beginner or experienced cook, this set enhances your meal prep experience. It's perfect for tech lovers and home cooks who want an affordable, high-quality, and durable knife set that covers all cookings. Number 3. Cuisinart 15-Piece Stainless Steel Hollow Handle Knife Set. Cuisinart's 15-piece hollow handle knife set combines style, functionality, and durability for home chefs. Each knife features hollow stainless steel handles that reduce weight while maintaining balance, providing comfort during prolonged use. The ultra-sharp blades easily slice, dice, and chop a variety of foods with precision. The included knife block keeps everything organized and accessible, adding elegance to your kitchen countertop. I love how comfortable these knives feel, even during fast-paced meal prep. Ideal for tech lovers and serious home cooks, this set offers professional quality performance and durability. With Cuisinart's trusted brand name, you get style, reliability, and sharpness all in one complete knife set. Number 4. Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-Piece Forged Knife Block Set. The Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-Piece Knife Set is built for serious home chefs and culinary enthusiasts. Each forged knife is crafted from high-quality steel, offering superior edge retention and precision for chopping, slicing, and dicing. The non-slip ergonomic handles provide excellent grip, ensuring safety and control during extended cooking sessions. This minimalistic set focuses on essential knives for efficient meal prep, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. The sleek knife block keeps the knives organized while adding a professional look to your countertop. For tech lovers or home cooks seeking high-performance knives with durability and style, the Mercer Genesis set is an excellent choice for everyday use. Number 5. Global's 7-Piece Ikasu Knife Set. Global knives are known for exceptional Japanese craftsmanship, and the Ikasu 7-Piece Knife Set truly stands out. Each knife is lightweight and perfectly balanced, allowing precise control during chopping, slicing, and dicing. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades glide effortlessly vegetables, meats, and fruits, reducing hand fatigue during extended cooking sessions. The modern knife block is both functional and stylish, keeping all knives neatly organized. Ideal for tech lovers and home chefs who value premium design, sharpness, and reliability, this set combines traditional Japanese techniques with modern kitchen functionality. With the Global Ikasu set, you elevate your cooking experience to professional standards effortlessly. Number 6. Victorinox Fibrox Pro 4-Piece Knife Set. The Victorinox Fibrox Pro 4-Piece Knife Set is designed for professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts alike. These knives are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent sharpness and durability. The textured ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, ensuring safety and control during heavy-duty cooking tasks. Each knife performs exceptionally for chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. Lightweight yet strong, this set is ideal for everyday home use. For tech lovers and serious home cooks, Victorinox Fibrox Pro delivers professional performance and reliable quality at an affordable price. It's a practical and high-performing addition to any kitchen. Number 7. J.A. Henkel's International Statement Knife Block Set. The J.A. Henkel's Statement Knife Set is perfect for families and home cooks seeking dependable kitchen tools. The stainless stainless steel blades are rust-resistant, easy to sharpen, and provide precise cutting for vegetables, meats, and fruits. Ergonomically designed handles ensure comfort and control even during long cooking sessions. The classic knife block keeps all pieces organized and easily accessible. This versatile set balances quality, performance, and durability, making it ideal for everyday meal preparation. Whether you're a beginner or experienced home chef, this set enhances cooking efficiency. For tech lovers and home cooks who appreciate reliable and long-lasting knives, it's a smart investment. Number 8. Wüsthof Classic 7-Piece Slim Knife Block Set. The Wüsthof Classic 7-Piece Knife Set is a premium German-engineered collection perfect for serious home chefs. Precision-forged stainless steel blades provide exceptional sharpness, strength, and edge retention, making slicing, dicing, and chopping effortless. The slim knife block saves counter space without compromising storage. Ergonomic handles offer comfort and balance during extended cooking sessions, reducing hand fatigue. I love how these knives combine performance with timeless design. Ideal for tech lovers and professional-style home cooks, this set elevates your kitchen experience with durable, reliable, and high-quality knives built to last. Every meal becomes easier and more enjoyable with this collection. Number 9. Cuisinart 12-Piece Color Knife Set with Blade Guards. The Cuisinart 12-Piece Color Knife Set is designed for safe and organized cooking. Each knife features color-coded blades to prevent cross-contamination and ensure hygienic meal prep. Lightweight and easy to handle, these knives glide effortlessly through fruits, vegetables, and meats. The set includes blade guards for added safety and convenient storage, perfect for beginners, busy home cooks, and tech lovers who value convenience, organization, and practicality. This set makes meal prep faster and safer. Combining functionality, safety, and style, the Cuisinart 12-Piece Color Knife Set offers an affordable solution for every home kitchen while maintaining professional quality performance. Number 10. Piclo Haas 15-Piece Knife Set with Magnetic Holder. The Piclo Haas 15-Piece Knife Set features a modern magnetic holder, making it easy to access knives while saving counter space. Each knife is crafted from high-quality stainless steel for lasting sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic handles provide comfort and control during extended cooking sessions. The magnetic holder not only organizes the knives, but also adds a sleek, contemporary look to your kitchen. Ideal for tech lovers and home chefs who appreciate innovative design, functionality, and premium performance, this set combines convenience, style, and high-quality craftsmanship for effortless and enjoyable meal preparation every day. That's it for today's top 10 kitchen knife sets every home chef needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and details. If this video helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top product reviews.